Hi everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to take voice notes in Google Keep. First, make sure you have the Google Keep mobile app installed on your Android or iPhone. Open the Google Keep app. At the bottom, tap the plus icon to create a new note. Select Audio or tap the microphone icon. Start speaking and Google Keep will record your voice and automatically transcribe it into text. Once you're done, the note will sync automatically to your Google account. You can then open Google Keep to view the text and play back the voice recording. It's a quick and easy way to capture ideas on the go using both voice and text. That's how you can take voice notes in Google Keep. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials like this.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.